Hey, Soribel Martínez here. Hey, you, I know. Listen, you have dreams, you have ambitions, you desire a better life for you and your family. But in therapy school, you were told that you were supposed to be just helping people. And that is true. However, in order for you to have fulfillment in your life, to feel happy about all that you do, you need to help your clients make that big impact, influence in their life, and also make the money. And this is exactly why I created the multi-million-dollar private practice framework. Yes, the same framework that took me from zero to millions. And I'm giving it to you step by step. You know why? Because we need a framework. It has to be simple. It has to be a step by step and a structure. You know that structure that you like from therapy school? I can give it to you so you can build your business. Click on the link below here and request your multi-million-dollar private practice business book. The book that's going to change your life and the life of your business. Talk to you soon.